Wait, billionaires are buying how much land? What do they even need all that land for? Oh, they're building giant mansions, right? Wait, farmland? People are buying land to grow food? Huh? Hold on. Now it's powering the internet? So land can do all this? It do all this. It's not just empty space. Now I get it. The land isn't the goal, the income is. And cash flow over time. Billionaires aren't just buying dirt. They're buying future opportunities.